Adopt pets instead of buying them. The stray animals have been spotted in these two areas. Let's rescue them. Follow the signs and you'll find the stray animals. Where's the rabbit? Let's look for it in the grass. Oh no! The rabbit got sunstroke. Let's bring it back for treatment. Let's keep looking for the next animal. The puppy has been pressed down by the bricks. Let's move the bricks and save the poor puppy. The puppy was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment. Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Mew Mew, I'll leave little animals to you. No problem. Let's choose a nice little house for the animals.